Gusto mo bang malaman kung magkano ang mga presyo ng aso sa Cartimar? Diyan ka lang dahil yan ang ating pag-uusapan sa video na ito after ng intro. Hello mga Dabark Cats! Kamusta kayong lahat? Gusto mo bang malaman kung magkano ang mga aso? Ayan, presyo ng mga aso sa Cartimar para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung pasok ba sa budget ninyo ang mga pangarap ninyong mga aso o kaya plano ninyong magregalo sa inyong mga mahal, di ba? Lalo na ngayong Pasko. Okay, so kung gusto mong malaman ang mga presyo ng aso sa Cartimar ay dyan ka lang dahil iyan ang ating pag-uusapan. Ngayon na!
Siberian Husky, male, 2 months. May papers at vaccines, 14,000. Maltese, female, 2 months. With papers and vaccines, 28,000. Male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 25,000. Shih Tzu, female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 12,000. Male, with papers and vaccine, 2 months, 10,000. Poodle, female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 18,000. Male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 16,000. Beagle, male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 13,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 15,000. American Bully, male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 28,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 30,000. Pug, male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 25,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 28,000. Pomeranian, female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, bear type, 25,000. Male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 20,000. Pomeranian, fox type, female, 2 months, 20,000. Male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 18,000. Pomeranian teacup, male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 25,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 28,000. Alaskan Malamute, male, 4 months. With papers and vaccine, 45,000. Female, with papers and vaccine, 50,000. Boston Terrier, male, 2 months, 20,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 25,000. Chihuahua, male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 12,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 14,000. French Bulldog, male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 35,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 40,000. English Bulldog, male, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 40,000. Female, 2 months. With papers and vaccine, 45,000. Golden Retriever, male, 2.5 months. With papers and vaccine, 25,000. Female, 2.5 months. With papers and vaccine, 30,000. German Shepherd, male, 3 months. With papers and vaccine, 25,000. Female, 3 months. With papers and vaccine, 30,000. Belgian Malinois, male, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 15,000. Female, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 20,000. Chow Chow, male, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 18,000. Female, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 20,000. Akita, male, going 3 months with papers and vaccine, 80,000. Female, going 3 months with papers and vaccine, 85,000. Corgi, male, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 75,000. Female, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 78,000. Rottweiler, male, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 13,000. Female, 2 months with papers and vaccine, 15,000.
At ayan ang ating video for today. Sana ay nagustuhan nyo at nalaman nyo kung pasok ba sa budget ninyo ang mga gusto ninyong mga aso. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok and I'll see you again next time dito lang sa Munting Kennel.